Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing everyday problems as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into something super common: how to turn on your Sharp TV without a remote, especially for those shiny 2025 models. Maybe you've misplaced your remote, the battery's died, or it's just out of reach. Whatever the reason, I've got you covered with straightforward steps that anyone can follow. Let's jump right in. First things first, most Sharp TVs have a built-in power button right on the device itself. Start by locating it. It's usually on the bottom bezel, the side, or even the back of your TV. For 2025 models, Sharp has made it even more user-friendly, often placing it under a small panel or with a subtle LED indicator. Gently press and hold that button for a couple of seconds until you see the screen light up. Boom! Your TV should power on without any hassle. But what if you can't find that button or it's not responding? Don't panic. There are a few backup options. If your Sharp TV supports smart features, check if it's connected to Wi-Fi. You might be able to use the Sharp TV app on your smartphone. Download it from your app store, connect to the same network as your TV, and look for the power controls in the app. It's like having a remote in your pocket. Another cool trick for 2025 models is voice activation. If your TV is linked to a smart home system like Google Assistant or Alexa, simply say something like, "Hey Google, turn on the TV," and watch the magic happen. Make sure your devices are paired first for this to work smoothly. If none of that does the trick, double-check your power source. Ensure the TV is plugged in securely and that there's no issue with your outlet. Sometimes, it's as simple as flipping a switch or trying a different plug. Alright, folks, that's it. You've now got multiple ways to get your Sharp TV up and running without that pesky remote. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, tech doesn't have to be complicated. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.